What's going on, guys? Real quick, I'm going to show you how to disconnect and connect Ford's AC lines. It's always good to get a master set of quick disconnect AC and fuel lines. This will work really well on Fords and some other vehicles as well. Definitely nice to have every size possible. I took this rear HVAC box out of the van, and I'll show you how to disconnect these evaporator lines. So they have these little safety clips on here, just in case the quick release part fails, and these literally just pop right off. And a good tip is just to kind of wiggle them a little bit as you pull, and you can see like a little spring in there, and it won't come out at all. For this big line, I found 3/4 works the best, and you want to make sure the line is pushed in as far as possible. Make sure there's no pressure in the system or you're gonna have a really bad time. And we just put the tool around like that. Push it in. Look at that. Pops right out. Now you can replace the worn out O-rings, and when you're ready to go back in, make sure it's all really clean. And it just clips back into place. Give it a tug, and the safety clip just snaps back on. Easy. The smaller one is the same, except it's a different size. This one is 1/2 inch. You may have to try a few different sizes before you find the right one. Same thing. Comes right out. You can definitely see that first O-ring is really worn out. The rear one's not as bad, but it's still getting kind of square. When you're ready, pops back in, and you stick the safety clip back on. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.